I am Malarselvi from Cyber Security Department. We are going to see the concept Agile Methodology with the Scrum framework. Agile is a software development methodology. It mainly focuses on creating working software quickly and collaborating with the customers frequently, and we can adopt the changes easily. This methodology is mainly benefit for the projects that are too complex and have uncertain requirements. So we are having 12 principles of Agile. First one is customer satisfaction, early and continuous delivery. Then third principle is embrace changes, then frequent delivery of the software, collaboration of business and developers frequently, motivated individuals, face-to-face conversation, functional product, technical excellence, simplicity, self-organized teams, regulation, reflection and adjustments are the important principles of Agile methodology. Next, we are going to see Agile methodology. Agile methodology is a type of project management process. It mainly focuses on software development, where the requirements and the solutions evolve through collaboration with the self-organizing cross-functional teams and their customers. Next, we are going to see about some examples of Agile methodology. We are having 7 examples. First one is Agile Scrum methodology. Second one is Lean software development. Third one is Kanban. Then next one Extreme Programming XP. Then next one Crystal. Then sixth one is Dynamic System Development Method, that is DSDM. And last one is Feature Driven Development. In the given methodology, we are going to see in detail about Scrum. Scrum is a subset of Agile methodology. It is a lightweight process framework, and it mainly involves the software development project with the quick delivery every 2 to 4 weeks. Agile Scrum methodology. Agile Scrum methodology, it is a software management system. It mainly relies on incremental and iterative approach. Each iteration consists of 2 to 4 week sprint. The main focus of sprint goal is to develop the important feature of the software product. The Agile Scrum methodology has several benefits. The first main benefit is it encourages the products to be built faster and delivered to the customer. And it also requires frequent planning and goal setting, which also helps the Scrum team on the current sprint objectives and increase the productivity. So next we are going to see about how the Scrum works. The concept is we are going to see the product backlog in the Scrum. The product backlog is nothing but it is a list of features which will be given by the stakeholders or the end users, which will be collected by the product owner and stored in the product backlog. The Scrum meeting mainly meets to discuss the following features. What are the product backlogs? What still needs to be completed? How long it will take to complete the project? The Scrum relies on Agile software development concept called sprint. Sprint is nothing but it is a period of time where software development is actually done. A sprint usually takes place from 1 week to 1 month to complete an item from the product backlog. The goal of each sprint is to create a scalable product and deliver to the end users frequently. Each sprint ends with the sprint review. Then the team chooses another piece of backlog from the product backlog to develop and starts the next sprint. The sprint continues until the final project is done. The next concept in Scrum is the daily Scrum meeting. This meeting will be conducted every 15 minutes in a daily basis. Each team member should need to present and give their views. The Scrum Master plays an important role in this Scrum. The Scrum Master keeps the team focused on the goal and to deliver the software product. Next, we are going to see the diagrammatic representation of the Scrum, how it works. First, the product owner collects the information or the requirement from the stakeholders from the outside world and kept it in a product backlog. Then the development team will get the list of features from the product backlog and select the list of tasks which will be going to be done in the sprint and kept it in sprint backlog. The sprint will be takes place between 2 to 4 weeks. After completing each sprint, the product will be delivered to the end user, and the daily Scrum meeting will be conducted between the team members with the Scrum Master. If we need any changes in the final product, means that particular information will be added in the product backlog and sent to the next sprint for their refinement. After each and every sprint, there will be a sprint retrospective meeting and sprint review meeting will be conducted. The next, we are going to see some terms in the Scrum. First term is Scrum team. The Scrum team has 5 to 9 members. The next term is product owner. Product owner is the project's key stakeholder and represent the users, customers or the stakeholders from the outside world. The next term is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is responsible for making the team as productive as possible. The next one is product backlog. This product backlog mainly contains the prioritized feature list containing every desired feature or change to the product. The product backlog mainly contains the list of desired features for the product. Sprint backlog contains the list of tasks to be completed in a given sprint. Sprint planning meeting. This meeting will be conducted at the start of each sprint. The Scrum team select the work that they can complete during the upcoming sprint. That work is then moved from product backlog to a sprint backlog, which is the list of tasks the team has committed to complete in the upcoming sprint. The next term is daily Scrum. Daily Scrum meeting is conducted between the Scrum team members. This meeting is mainly held by the Scrum Master. This meeting mainly focuses on the team to stay on the track for software development. All the team members has to attend the meeting regularly. The next term is sprint review meeting. This meeting is conducted at the end of each sprint. The team mainly demonstrates the functionality of the completed sprint. The next meeting is sprint retrospective meeting. This meeting is also conducted at the end of each sprint, where the team conducts this meeting between the team members, Scrum Master and finally the product owner, and they will discuss about how the completed Scrum is done, what are the changes we have to do for the upcoming sprint. So the next concept is, these are some key features included in the Scrum methodology. We are having 3 features. First one is role, second one is artifact, and third key feature is ceremonies. Role, we are having mainly 3 roles, that is product owner, Scrum Master and the team. And we are having 3 artifact. First one is product backlog, second one is sprint backlog, and third one is burn down charts. And we are having 4 ceremonies, that is sprint planning, sprint review, sprint retrospective, daily Scrum meeting. So the next one is benefits of Agile Scrum methodology. We are having some benefits. It is mainly flexible and adaptable one. Then second one is Scrum is creativity, and we are going to do some innovative features to our project. The cost will be lower in Scrum methodology. Quality will be improvised in Scrum. Then employee and customer satisfaction is the main benefit in Scrum methodology. The next one is Scrum best practices. We are having some best practices in Scrum methodology. First one is we are defining the requirements just in time to keep the product features as relevant as possible, and we are getting the feedbacks daily. Sprint review meeting will be conducted with the stakeholders with regular interval time. The Scrum team needs to use the sprint retrospectives to improvise how they can work. Face-to-face conversation will reduce the miscommunication while doing our project. Trust the team members to do the job as good as possible. Allow the teams to self-organize around people's skills, work styles, and their personalities. Don't burn out with the team members. Respect the balance between their personal and professional lives to ease the stress. Thank you for sharing this wonderful session.